season, the Pittsburgh Steelers defense is #1 in the NFL in fewest yards per play, fewest yards rushing per game and per play, fewest yards passing per play.
Now they're going to try to make a whose bark is bigger. How about that, Coachella? Oh no! Chloe! Oh, she got it. Oh well. You know what it is? She's like, watch this.